We are so hyped right now. We did it! Oh, hell yeah. This is what we do on our free time, guys. Buy another leg, eh? That's a flu. Alright, drinks on Sammy, boy. Hell yeah. Yo, my man, let's go! What's up, guys? I'm hyped. I hope you guys are hyped. I'm gonna show a quick little clip of how, well, that night that we actually got the Skyline all fixed up, buttoned up and everything, all the wiring that was actually wrong with it, but here it is. All right, so we are so hyped right now.
Yo, what the?
A big breakthrough. After a couple, yeah. Ryan had it. We give Ryan the credit for sure. After a couple drinks and everything.
I know, right?
Doing it drunk, don't work on your car while drunk. So, MAF, right?
Yep.
Wasn't getting power.
Exactly. Hooked up this tachometer, and we found out it was breaking up at like 2,500. And Ryan was like, "Yo, it's a MAF," and we were like, "The MAF is fine, dude." And then we checked it, and there's not even power at the MAF. No 12 volts, nothing. And we were like, "Wow."
After all this combobulation here, Kendrick added 12 volts
to the MAF power and everything else that required it, because there was more than one red-black wire that wasn't getting power. So probably a bunch of other sensors too. And once we added that 12 volts, this thing revs, man.
Hell yeah.
Oh, hold on. Oh, turn it back on. This looks bad, right? Alright, and then I added 12 volts now, right? Hey, it stayed on. Alright, rev that shit up, Tony. It's not breaking up, right? Rev it up. Yeah. Woo! Hey.
Woo!
Alright.
Drinks on Sammy,
Let's
boy.
go.
Hell
Let's
yeah.
go.
Let's go. No, I shut off.
No, I'm just saying. We did it!
Oh, hell yeah.
Yo.
What time is it? It's 11:30. We still got. Good job. Good job, Diego, for pointing that out. Oh, no. It was Ryan. Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
Buy you another leg, eh?
You know what?
Yo, let's go for a ride right now.
NSW switch for like
behind me?
3 weeks.
Yeah.
NSW.
NSW, STA, and that wasn't it at all.
Nothing to do with it. They're not even grounded right now. They're just open.
It was.
It was just power to the max.
Yo, it's so funny.
We gotta do a couple little stuff here and there, like finish buttoning up everything in with all the wiring that's going on there. I gotta switch out my spark plugs because pretty sure that these are all like fouled out from like so much fuel being in there. Probably didn't even burn off all that excess fuel. So, well, it actually did, but just in case if they are fouled out, which I'm pretty sure they are, gonna swap those out, put the cover back on, just button up the power steering line here underneath. Just gotta attach it to the chassis. That should be good. Gonna do my plugs first. Take those out, re-gap these. Gonna put these, gap these down real quick before we go ahead and install them. Oh, yep, definitely trying up, focus. There we go. Definitely gotta change those out. Car's all jacked up, gonna fix underneath, but I was going ahead and started like cleaning this up a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to keep it silver or paint it black. I wanted to do, like I said from the beginning of this build, wanted to do everything OEM, keep everything black and dark, nothing like too crazy hot boy. But I'm not sure about this part. Comment down below if you guys think this should be probably clean this up a little bit better or paint it black to match everything black. I don't know. Finally got all my lug nuts too, so we could be legit. Oh, spilling everywhere. So we could be legit, and also got my coil packs in. Shout out to, I forgot who I bought this from. One of the subscribers. Shout out to you. I bought these from, so we could swap that out. I believe it's my back last coil pack, the third one. That's a little messed up there. We'll see when we turn the car on. All right, we got Kendrick Glue here, working his magic.
I am.
Doing everything legit with the soldering.
Finishing up the wire so it's nice and clean. Put some relays and fuses in places where they need to be.
So what was it? You did the relays where you were adding all those power wires?
Yeah, so like there's relays put in for the ECU to be turned on, and the injectors to get power, and the coils to get power when the ignition is turned on. I was just adding in a third relay for the sensors like the MAF and TPS and all that, so.
Gotcha.
Yep, added fuses just to make it nice and safe also.
Nice. Alright, he's connecting the battery. Watching some Monkey London here. Oh boy.
Alright, we should be good.
You gonna try it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh boy.
Hopefully I did everything right.
Right? Oh, lost the keys.
Oh, they're in the trunk.
Are they? Oh, I think they are.
Here you go.
Oh boy.
Hang out right here. Everything turned on.
Everything turned on. Alright, let's try it out. Alright, so far so good. Damn, is it really like taking all that power steering? I swear I like keep feeling it every single time.
Yeah.
Cold start, like around 1300 RPMs. It's gonna drop down a little bit. So far it seems to be running good. Said we changed the spark plug and everything, so hopefully that changed. Didn't do the full pack yet, so we're gonna rev it up, let it warm up a little bit, rev it, and see if it breaks up at all.
Start, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna let it warm up or something? Is for real this time?
For real, for real?
Let it warm up again? Is it good? That's good.
Sounds way better. Oh, way better. Hell yeah. That sounded so good. Oh, dude, way better.
Yeah, we're gonna do burnouts right
Damn, hell yeah.
now.
Oh, you could rev it so we can get some footage. Dude, it sounds so much better. Go ahead. That's how a 1J says. Hell yeah. Yo, my man, let's go. Man, I am hyped. My man, the electrician, Lou Wiring. If you need anything done, go follow his Instagram, DM him.
Right. Good. Smells good, don't smell.
Yeah. Power sat up a little bit. Gonna be changing the tire size on it. So I actually think it might be good. Anything leaking underneath? Nothing seems to be leaking. Just gotta add a little bit more of power steering, ATF, re-bleed the clutch, and should be good. There's a bunch of salt and snow on the road and everywhere, so kind of don't want to drive it, but it's fixed. We'll go outside, maybe do a burnout or something. Really wanted to drive this thing, but with all the salt and like how slushy it is outside, I think I'll probably wait. Brakes are all done on that. Clutch is all done. Show you guys real quick. Just cause like, oh, it's just nasty outside. Definitely don't want to get any of that like in the undercarriage or something. Probably wait. It's supposed to rain, so let it rain, wash a lot of the salt off, and then next time we'll go for an official drive. Right now, all I'm gonna do is finish adjusting, just because it was idling a little bit high. It was like around 1400. Just adjust the idle screw here, and it should be good after that. Just adjusting it here, loosen it up, taking a little Allen key. I definitely need 2 hands for this, but you get the idea. Turn it on again and double check. Definitely lower. It's around, it's still a little high. It's around like 1100. Yeah, still at 1200. Lower a little bit more. It's not too bad outside now, so after adjusting the screw and everything, I'm gonna try to bleed it. Hopefully it bleeds well. And we'll just keep it outside so we don't die inside. Ooh, it's actually sunny out. I got Sir Dagwell. He's on the phone. But yeah, I think it's good right there. Like after warming up, it's around 1060. So I think I might just keep it right there. Had to shut it off real quick. Rookie mistake. Should have put a clamp right here, and it's leaking literally from right here. Just gonna put a clamp right there. I saw it dripping a little bit, but easy fix. So put a clamp on there just for now. We got Claude and Kaiser out here, Infamous Labs TV. Go check them out on YouTube. But yeah, just doing that. All I saw was the little leak there. Add some more antifreeze on here and it should be good. Biggest thing, got heat, boys. Hell yeah. Winter beater. So still got just put in all this stuff. Got the new airbag cover coming in. That way we could plug all this underneath, fit that, make that look nice, and put everything back together.
Jay, don't run.
Damn disrespect. This is what we do on our free time, guys.
Yep.
All right, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Get yourself a hoodie if you haven't. Lock City shout out, and we'll see you next time.
Hey.